Welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with the update on the tomato planting in the greenhouse. This is day 3. As you can see, this is our tomatoes, day number 3, and it seems to be showing some much more positive results than negative. So this is day number 3, and we are joined by Mr. Tatinda, who will take us through his own insight towards these tomatoes.
Yeah, no, the tomatoes are doing well at the moment. Day 3, there are some positives. As you can see, after we've done all the proper land preparation and all the proper planting method that we use today, we plant with our compound C. So yeah, we are happy with the outcome, as you can see from there. Save for a few. If you can just come in, you see that there are a few seedlings that are not doing okay here. This one and this one. Yeah. After we to do our background check, we just realized that there was a challenge from our some of our seedlings we are added at the seed house. So we are doing the best we can to engage them so that we look and see what went wrong. Because here at our field here, we did the necessary procedures in planting of our tomatoes. So I think that's the update for today. We'll look into that and then we'll come back to you and advise how we managed to counter the challenge that we faced here.
What has been their response, the suppliers of the seedlings?
Yeah, no, they are seeking dialogue, so I will engage them at their offices. Then we will talk to them, then we will see how best can we meet halfway, so that we get to the bottom of the matter.
Okay, so when you said they were hardened, what do you mean exactly?
No, when these seedlings are being processed at the seed house, there is a process which is called hardening of the seedlings. So that when they come from the seed house and you put them in the field, they should be in a position to grow very well without any challenges. So just look into that so that we'll get to the bottom of the matter. But the challenge that we faced, the seedlings weren't proper hardened.
When proper hardened,
Yes.
were you not able to see that from your with the naked eye when you bought the seedlings? Is it possible to see it?
From what I saw, I just give them a benefit of the doubt the day that I collected the seedlings. Because this is not my first time getting seedlings from them. I've been getting thousands and thousands of seedlings from these suppliers. So I just give them a benefit of the doubt that they are giving me the correct product. So I just saw the challenge when I planted in the greenhouse now.
Okay, so okay, if it's benefit of the doubt, it's because of the relationship you have had with them from the
Yeah,
past.
we have a very good relationship. We started working together for some time back.
All right. Okay, so what would be the best way forward towards these which are not looking healthy?
If you get the replacement, we just replace them there and there. We are still in the correct time frame.
Or
So
they are not
they won't be
far
any
behind?
challenges. Yes. They will catch up. They will catch up with the other one.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Tender.
You're welcome.
Thank you for enlightening us on this update. So we'll be back with another update to let you know, guys, what we have done with the ones which are not healthy, and also updating you on the ones which are looking quite healthy and quite good, like these ones which are showing much life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.